Hello, and welcome to Exploring Architectural Character. Today we're going to look at exterior architectural features. I'm Judy Hayward, your host for the program, and I'm here with the Stephen Jacob House, which is a project of Historic Windsor Incorporated. We're going to use the Stephen Jacob House to learn about its architectural features to understand what makes it an historic building. The basis of our exploration is Preservation Brief number 17, A Guide to Architectural Character, published by the United States National Park Service. Written in 1988, Preservation Brief number 17 is a standard in teaching professionals how to organize the review of any historic building. It contains a handy checklist that we will use today as we explore the exterior. We begin with an overall examination of the front of the building, its shape and massing. The Jacob House comprises a main house that is virtually square. Note the right side. The main house and the L make this side rectangular. The left side is rectangular and has an extension known as an L. What do we mean by massing? Is it square? Is it rectangular? Does it feel heavy? We would say that this building is heavy, rectangular, and has a triangular roof. Let's take a look at the primary facade. It has windows. What kinds of openings do we have? Windows. When we speak of the number of lights in the upper sash and the lower sash, we discuss 2/2 on this house. It has a main entrance, one front door that seems rather small. Is the primary facade symmetrical or not? We note here that there are 5 openings on the upper story and 6 on the lower, so the facade is not symmetrical. But on closer examination, if we take a look at the change in the clapboards, we see that there's been some alterations. Also, we take a look at the clapboarding. It's made of wood. The nails here are 19th century, not original. Corner boards conceal the junction of the 2 facades. We conclude that it is a rectangular building with a triangular roof. The roof features a tympanum, the area between the triangle. There's a metal roof with a large square chimney. It's not the only chimney. There's also a vertical chimney, rectangular in shape, that's later. Upon closer examination, we see that we have modillions and dentils. Think of the dentils as small teeth-like decoration, and the modillions are the curved, larger elements. We turn our attention now to the door surround, which features an elegant, later Greek molding. This type of detail gives a rich play of light and shadow on the building's primary facade. Notice the graduation of the moldings, how it steps up. It's very pleasing to the eye. And then we turn our attention to the details of the windows. Note the decorative detailing on the sill, and this later window features no decoration at all. As we move to the left side or west elevation, we see that there's a porch that projects from the primary building and a dormer. And we always look for projections to give us clues about the architectural detail. So to review, we've looked at the lack of symmetry, we've looked at details, windows, the triangular roof, the rectangular and square shapes, and next time we'll take a look at the hidden clues. It's directed by Judy Hayward for Historic Windsor. Judy Hayward served as your host, and it was filmed on location at the Stephen Jacob House in Windsor, Vermont. If you'd like more information about the project, visit preservationworks.org. Thanks for joining us today.